Me in them handcuffs, she take my shirt off, put my hands up. I pull her head back, you know she like it rough. Love any race, I don't discriminate.
I like a big girl with a big booty, small waist in the face, she a cutie. I like skinny girls with them A cups, long legs with them little bitty butts.